Okay, before you leave the stage, ladies and gentlemen, edda twakolanga speech day kati byakyukiramu ddala. We are limited to the number of people that are speaking tonight. But let's take this opportunity and welcome one of the graduates on behalf of the rest of the graduates to give us the beautiful speech. And the one giving us the speech is Ambassador Dozolaba. Se nabagamba bikyukamu kati awo singa tubadde kalububbu simanyi oba kyali badde kitya ewaffe ekibulala. Oh my goodness, all the flags up waiting for the speech. Oganga temukubidde ngala n'atandika.
Our guest of honor, our beloved director, Mr. Setongo Frederick Rugonvu, members of the school management committee, the head teacher, our parents, staff members, and the well-wishers. We are filled with joy to host you here today as we celebrate our graduation of Pre-3 2024. We have gone through the best experience from the time we joined Hillview up to this day of our mega event. We have learned a lot of things, including reading, counting, writing, shading, drawing, sharing, toilet habits, PE activities, table manners, aerobics, cooperation, among others. Besides classroom learning, teachers instilled life skill values into us like self-esteem, confidence, sympathy, assertiveness, among others. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to the director, the management committee members, administrator, heads of sections, heads of departments, our profession and dedicated teachers, our gatekeepers, support staff, and the entire Hillview community for all the services they rendered to us. We therefore request our dear parents to bring our little sisters and brothers to Hillview to get all the schools we have acquired. Thanks so much for listening to me. I remain Nasimba Michelle Abigel on behalf of Pre-3 2024.